Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking Tesla Cybertruck 2025 showroom features. The Tesla Cybertruck 2025 stands as a bold testament to innovation, blending cutting-edge technology with an unmistakable futuristic design. Its stainless steel exoskeleton, crafted from ultra-hard material, ensures maximum durability and resistance against damage. Unlike any truck before it, the Cybertruck redefines toughness, performance, and luxury in a single package. Its angular, spaceship-like body turns heads, making it a true icon of modern engineering. Designed to dominate both city streets and rugged terrains, it offers an unparalleled driving experience, combining power and efficiency in ways never seen before. Step inside the Cybertruck, and you are greeted with a spacious, high-tech cabin that embodies Tesla's minimalist philosophy. A massive touchscreen display takes center stage, controlling everything from navigation to entertainment and vehicle settings. The interior is designed with premium materials, ensuring both comfort and durability. Seating for up to 6 passengers provides ample space, making it perfect for both daily commutes and long adventures. The panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of openness, allowing natural light to flood the cabin. Every detail inside the Cybertruck is engineered for maximum convenience, offering a blend of luxury and functionality that is ahead of its time. Performance is where the Tesla Cybertruck 2025 truly shines. Equipped with powerful electric motors, it delivers instant torque and blistering acceleration. The tri-motor variant is capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making it one of the fastest trucks ever built. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability, whether on highways or off-road trails. With an impressive towing capacity and an extended battery range, the Cybertruck is built for both work and adventure. Tesla's cutting-edge regenerative braking system maximizes energy efficiency, ensuring that every drive is as sustainable as it is exhilarating. Safety is a core focus of the Cybertruck, integrating Tesla's industry-leading autopilot technology. The vehicle is equipped with an array of sensors, cameras, and AI-driven features that enhance driver awareness and control. Automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, and lane keeping assist work together to create one of the safest driving experiences available. The reinforced exoskeleton and impact-resistant glass provide additional layers of protection, ensuring that passengers remain safe in any situation. Tesla's commitment to safety makes the Cybertruck a leader in both durability and intelligent driver assistance. Charging the Cybertruck is seamless and efficient, thanks to Tesla's ever-expanding supercharger network. Fast charging capabilities allow for quick recharging, minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience. The optional integration of solar panels further enhances sustainability, harnessing renewable energy to extend battery life. Over-the-air software updates ensure that the Cybertruck continues to improve over time, receiving new features and optimizations without needing a visit to the service center. Tesla's focus on innovation keeps the Cybertruck at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. Displayed in a state-of-the-art luxury showroom, the Cybertruck stands as a symbol of progress and futuristic design. The bold Tesla Cybertruck 2025 logo, illuminated on the wall, highlights its significance as a groundbreaking vehicle. Every detail, from the polished floors to the ambient lighting, enhances the Cybertruck's commanding presence. It is more than just a truck, it is a revolution on wheels, setting new benchmarks in performance, durability, and sustainability. Whether in a showroom or on the road, the Tesla Cybertruck 2025 is a masterpiece of engineering, ready to lead the world into the future of transportation. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.